see. But the man in was supposed to be doing this for this, but this is woman walk out so can them think this for woman body. Woman walk but a teacher can't say that hey you know being cleaning shot boss and cleaning. A teacher because man is doing work in this house here. So you can't say we don't cleaning and all them things man. Like you have to see how this place is because them I don't want you know land and talk and all them things.
Oh, he's sweeping. Glad he's sweeping because he's always saying something. Glad. Alright, man.
Alright, done you know? Relax there man.
Clean. You do a good job, man. Huh? Yeah, clean. Yeah, you gotta get breakfast. And girl, why feed this party for me?
Well, you just don't clean this thing here, son. Yeah, and I got you know man ain't even supposed to doing this here, so
Listen, peel the plantain, half of the plantain for me, and I can make breakfast.
peel off of the plantain and you make breakfast please have it. But hey, you know if you got all fuck up buddy, hey you know what? I want to man listen me man. Man is the work better than woman, man is cook and everything.
Alright.
But anyways peel the plantain I think but it ain't happy man. You know what I peel the plantain man.
Yeah, man, peel the plantain, man. Relax, and get it in. We can see who's better, man. You peel half of the plantain, and I go in inside here, so and wash up these wheels.
Alright, good. There's no problem. Oh shucks. Just to peel half of the plantain. Oh shucks, right thing with the one. Sky ba yun yung like isa half of the plantain I peel yan. Alright.
Hey, shortboss, you don't peel half of the plantain there?
Yeah, come. Is the right time you come? I don't peel half of the plantain here, so I half left back. Come.
Oh, shit. I can just see something on there, boy.
Come man, it's the right time you come. I didn't just see something walk across the day. It's the right time you come.
What's this? I tell you, peel half. What's this, shortboss? What's this, buddy? And you're saying, man could do everything better. Look at you, look at this. Look at this. You peel half the thing, buddy.
It's half the thing, you peel half. What is half for peel half? I peel half.
Hi, this is not peel this here, buddy. You cut this, and you peel the whole thing, buddy. This is cut in half, buddy. Not this, buddy. Not this stupidness we do, buddy. This. Oh, this, buddy. This right. I say, woman is doing good.
Because you peel half. And thing. I peel half of the plantain.
This is where it's called. Some in the boat and some there. This is where it's called half, buddy.
They never say peel half and...
Everybody catches this thing and get to the head. I gotta put some knocks of sense in the head.